When an object is in motion, it has kinetic energy. Okay? Kinetic energy of an object depends on both of its mass and its speed. What are two different words that we can use instead of mass? When you step on a scale, what are you looking at?
Weight.
Weight. Okay, mass is weight. What about speed? What's another term that we've been using in 9.1? Good. Thank you. Velocity. So that's where the V comes in. Mass is its weight, and velocity is its speed. Now, when I start talking about velocity squared, what does that mean in math?
2 times the velocity.
Not 2 times, but it's the velocity times itself. That's what I wrote down below where it says V equals velocity squared. Velocity times velocity. So it's not 2 times, it's timesing itself. Okay?
Do you like looking down?
Well, Caitlin, what do you think? You've been in my class last year and already half of this year. If it's bolded, what do you think?
Yeah.
There you go. How many of you like to play football?
No one.
No one in this class, really?
No.
How about throwing a ball, period?
What do you
Okay?
mean?
Where is most of the kinetic energy?
A ball?
Within the ball.
In front.
In the front. Why?
Because that's where it's like. So the air hits it?
That's the part that's
Yeah.
gonna hit first, right? That's where most of the weight is for the object. That's where the energy is, and when it hits, that's what's gonna transfer the energy into the object that it hits. And that's mechanical energy. Okay, bottom one is what you need to write down. It's also the same thing that I put on the board. KE, or kinetic energy, equals half of the mass. So you can do 0.5 times whatever the weight is, or the weight divided by 2. Either way will be okay. Times whatever the velocity is squared. There should be like an upside down V somewhere in your tummy.
It's so hot.
Yeah, and then after that is equal to. It means the same thing.
Yeah.
So this is for you three ladies. Okay. That's not nice.
No, it's okay.
Okay. So kinetic energy is something that's already in motion, right? That's where the energy comes from. What about potential energy? Mira, if kinetic energy, the object is in motion to the right, what about potential energy? How can you try to explain the difference?
It's not moving.
It's not moving. Perfect. So it has the potential to move,
but
right?
it's not, because kinetic energy, it's going to move, and it's moving down the hill. See?
Good, okay? And that's exactly it. So, good analyzation of the two pictures. So, did everyone hear Mira? Okay, who did not?
Who did not what?
Hear that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so my kinetic energy, object is in motion. Potential energy, it has the potential to move. and it's not moving. So potential energy, it's not moving, but it's high up and it's getting ready to move. Okay? Kinetic energy, it's in motion already.
So we're kinetic energy.
If we are in motion, we have a form of kinetic energy, yes. Okay. Potential energy is the energy that is stored and held in an object at a certain height. So I'm going to write over here the equation for potential energy and look at the very bottom one, GPE, gravitational potential energy.
So the top one and the bottom one, or all of them?
I would say all of them, just so you can differentiate them.